Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix ChatGPT notifications not working. If notifications are silent, your phone's blocking them, not the app. So first of all, head over to your settings app and then search for notifications. Next, scroll down, look for ChatGPT, and then make sure to toggle the allow notification options on. After that, you're going to go ahead and turn off do not disturb mode or focus mode. Scroll down from your phone, long press on the do not disturb and then turn it off. Next, you're going to head over to your app store, search for ChatGPT and update your app. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, and that's it. So make sure to update your app. For Android, enable background data. Go to settings and then go to general. Scroll down, go to background app refresh and make sure to toggle the ChatGPT option on for background app refresh on Android and on iOS as well. Tip: disable batch optimization for ChatGPT, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.